In this video, we're going to be making agar from potatoes. Before we get started, y'all make sure to like, subscribe, and if you ever made your own media before, let me know what recipe you used and comment down below. So we use agar to feed our mushrooms and make sure that we have clean cultures to work with. Here's all the supplies you'll need to make your own agar at home from potatoes. I'm going to drop links below so you can follow along with everything. Also, don't be afraid to substitute your own way, but this is how I'm going to do it. A stir plate, a scale, agar, petri dishes, graduated cylinder, paraffin, media flask, pressure cooker, a flow hood. Now it's time to get to work and make the agar. In the first step, we're going to make this potato broth. In order to do that, we're going to take a potato, we're going to dice it up. After we dice it up, we're going to weigh out about 150 grams of potatoes. Take that 150 grams of potatoes and put it with 500 milliliters of water in a pot. You want to boil that for about 15 minutes. Once you boil that for about 15 minutes, we're going to separate out the broth from the potatoes, and then you want to bring this liquid level back up to 500 milliliters. Then this is ready to be used in the agar recipe. After we've gotten our broth, it's now time to make the agar. So first what we're going to do is take about 300 milliliters from that broth and pour it into this media flask. After that, you weigh out 10 grams of agar. Also add that to this flask. And then we're going to take the rest of the broth and top that to about 500 milliliters. Now that we've got our agar ready, we're going to take this and we're going to sterilize it. I've already added the water and the flask to the pressure cooker. So all that's left is to cook this at 15 psi for 45 minutes, and then we'll be ready to pour the plates. As you can see, we're about at 15 psi and the rocker going. Give this about 45 minutes, then we'll take the media flask out and be ready to pour the plates. Once the pressure cooker is finished, I'll let it cool for about 2 hours before I take the flask out. Then I'll touch it every few minutes until it's cool enough for me to handle the pour.
Yeah. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah.
You are watching a master at work.
Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Weston now. But who you testing? Fuck a scantron, here's your lesson now. Knife and testing, taking shots at all your brethren now. Feel like I'm damaged, you fucking playing it. I'm coming from, make me feel right. Don't you know you come make it feel right. I'm coming from, make me feel right.
After the plates have been poured, we'll let them sit for about 30 minutes to an hour so they can solidify, then they're ready for use. And now that we've got our plates poured, you can use these for spore swabs, liquid cultures, spore syringes, or you can also store them for later use. But thank y'all for watching.